Hey guys, I'm showing you this hand warmers. It's a rechargeable 2 pack and this is xiskt 10000mAh electric hand warmer. It's 2-in-1 portable and it's a very nice gift box that I really like this box for the storage, and this can also be used. And this is a 2 pack hand warmer with a magnetic thing. So I will show you as well. So in the box they have the charging cable, like two charging cable, two lanyard to attach to this, and a carry cover. This is really nice, like you can carry both of them in it. And this is handy as well. The lanyard is used, like you can just put it there to make it more handy. And this is the charging cable. This is a USB-C charging cable that you can use to charge this battery pack as well as the warmer. So see, like if start charging, you will see the indicator. That is pretty helpful to use or to see that. Now to start, you can see, or the magnetic thing, yes, like I told you, like this is the magnetic thing that two can be attached with each other or can be used individually. And for charging your mobile or anything, say, you can just put it there and charging will start. So this battery pack can also be used to charge your mobile or as well as your hand warmer. So it's pretty nice design of the multitasking of this particular product. As you can see, the charging is there, so nice. And then keep holding on this button and you can see this is the different three settings for the temperature. So you can set 40, 50, 60. I'm setting it on the middle as a 50. So start warming, and I think it will take 3-4 seconds to get heated up. So I'm just trying to put both on heating. So you can use it like a palm or the hand, because this only the one side will be warm, or you can just combine it together and then both side will be warm. Pretty nice design, like I like this concept. And it's a reusable hand warmer where you can just charge it and use it, and as a battery pack you can also do other things as well. So with a smart digital display, multifunction portable hand warmer, and pretty easy to use and carry.